astronauts grow around 3% taller in space. That's about 2 inches or 5 centimetres. But why does this happen? Imagine these sponges are your spine. On Earth, our bodies are affected by Earth's gravity. Our spines are compressed. But in space, on the International Space Station, they experience microgravity because they're in free fall around the Earth, meaning their spines can expand and astronauts get taller.
NASA astronaut Kate Rubins was the first person to sequence DNA in space. On her first mission in 2016, she spent 115 days in space on the ISS. She grew from 171 centimetres on Earth to 174.4 centimetres in space. That's 3.4 centimetres taller.
Why not measure yourselves and see how tall you'd be in space? Just add 2 inches or 5 centimetres to your height. This height change doesn't last forever though, and when astronauts return to Earth, they revert back to their original height.
Astronauts do lots of experiments and studies on their bodies in space. They use a special ultrasound machine to look at their spines. These studies are important if we want to continue to explore space. And they help us look after our bodies down here on Earth too.
You can do your own experiments at home on the effect that gravity has on the human body. Measure yourself when you first get out of bed in the morning and then again right before you go to bed, and you'll find you actually get shorter throughout the day. Because whilst you're lying down asleep in bed, gravity isn't pulling the spine down on itself. You might find you grow as much as 1 centimetre, but that's no way near an astronaut's 5 centimetres. So make sure you've got the right size clothes when you pack your suitcase for space.